So what did I learn about doing the rice water challenge? I learned that the longer you ferment it, the worse it smells. Okay. I'm about to make my rice and ferment it for 24 hours. So what I have here is a large or medium-sized mason jar, 1 cup of rice, and 2 cups of warm water. So what I do first is pour the rice in. And now I'm going to add the 2 cups of warm water. Putting the lid on the mason jar. And that's it. Shake it up and you're ready to go. Okay. 36 hours was the most, absolute most that I could do without feeling like I needed to just dump it all down the drain and just throw it in the trash and start all over. It's been 36 hours since I let my rice start fermenting, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take the lid off, use my strainer, pour it into this cup. So this is what the water looks like. You can see how cloudy it is. And then I pour it into this amber bottle. To stop it from fermenting, you're gonna just put it in the refrigerator. The cold stops the fermenting process. At 36 hours, the smell is rancid. However, that seems to work the best for my hair. I've done the 36 hours twice out of the 4 rinses that I did. So 2 times I did 24 hours, and then the other 2 times I did 36 hours. So I prefer the 36 hours, but the smell is horrible. My youngest daughter prefers the 24-hour because the smell isn't bad, and I did not add the essential oils to it once I did the 36 hours. But all in all, I had really good results from the rice water rinse. You can see in the clips that my hair has grown and I've retained some length over the last month. I can't wait to update you all next month on the rice water challenge and how I'm doing. I have now done 4 rinses with the rice water, and I just want to do a length check. I know I'm not wearing the same shirt, but it doesn't matter because my hair ain't that long. And all I need is my face to measure it. So, just going to take the same piece that I took the last time. And the only thing that I have on my hair is a milk. It's the Blueberry Bliss milk. All right, so I'm taking this piece, and there you go. My hair stops right here at the end of my nose, right there. And that's the back right here. All right, so that's a month. So I'll check in with you guys next month and see how it goes. So join me. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried it, how you like it, what the results are for you, all those things. And until next time, journey on.